Ever felt like your brain is a browser with 100 tabs open all at once? That's often what it feels like living with ADHD. But what's actually happening up there? Let's dive in. It all starts with a little molecule called dopamine. Think of dopamine as your brain's motivation messenger. For neurotypical brains, there's a steady flow, helping them focus on tasks. But in an ADHD brain, the dopamine system works a bit differently. Our brains are constantly searching for things that will give them that dopamine hit, which is why we might jump from one task to another, always looking for something new and exciting. It's not a lack of willpower, it's a difference in brain chemistry. This unique wiring affects our attention circuits. Imagine two spotlights. The neurotypical brain can easily focus one big spotlight on a single task. The ADHD brain, it has several smaller spotlights, all darting around to whatever seems most interesting. This is why paying attention to something that isn't stimulating, like filling out forms, can feel almost physically painful. But this is also where our superpower comes in: hyperfocus. Have you ever gotten so absorbed in something you love that hours fly by in what feels like minutes? That's hyperfocus. When we find something truly captivating, our brain floods with dopamine, and we can achieve an incredible, laser-like focus that others can only dream of. It's our brain's way of saying, yes, this is it. Another piece of the puzzle is emotional regulation. Because of how our brains process information and dopamine, our emotions can feel more intense. We feel the highs higher and the lows lower. It's like living life in vibrant technicolor. This can be challenging, but it also means we can be incredibly passionate, empathetic, and creative. So, having an ADHD brain isn't a defect. It's a different operating system. It comes with its challenges, for sure, but it also brings unique strengths like creativity, problem solving from new angles, and that amazing ability to hyperfocus. It's about learning to work with your brain, not against it. Understanding the why behind your thoughts and actions is the first step to harnessing your unique strengths. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that helps us understand our amazing brains. See you next time.